Yeah, the update is we've got 3 watches that have just been issued for parts of southeast Texas. First of all, a hurricane watch is in effect for the right at the very western tip of Bolivar Peninsula, all the way east into parts of Louisiana. So that does include the southern part of Liberty County, that does include Chambers County, it does include Galveston Island as well, and then on to the east. Showing up in yellow, including Houston and Harris County, all the way up to the Huntsville area and eastward, is a tropical storm watch that has been issued for the area. And in addition to all of that, we have a storm surge watch that has also been issued that goes from San Luis Pass all the way to the east into parts of Louisiana. So just as we were thinking yesterday, because we're getting to within about 48 hours of when we might start to see tropical storm force conditions here in southeast Texas, all of these watches have been issued for southeast Texas. No real need to look at Marco because we don't think that is going to feed into what's happening today. So let's talk about what's happening with Laura. This is a tropical storm right now that is very near the western end of Cuba at this time. So we do believe it's going to be in the Gulf of Mexico tomorrow. And when it makes it into the Gulf of Mexico, it could begin to strengthen out there. Right now, the max winds are at 60. The pressure's at 1,001. It's moving west-northwest at 20. That means as it emerges in the very warm water of the Gulf of Mexico, it'll be in a very favorable environment for intensification. And for that reason, National Hurricane Center believes this system is going to make landfall somewhere inside of this cone as a Category 2 hurricane, and that would most likely happen sometime late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. So late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning is when landfall is expected. Now, the cone of uncertainty is just to the east of the Houston area, but even though the cone is just to our east, if the storm were to take a track, say, on the western side of this cone, we could still have some major effects here in southeast Texas. So don't pay as much attention to the cone, pay a little bit more attention to where the storm is eventually going to track. Tropical storm force wind probabilities are aimed more at Lake Charles than us here in Houston, but we still have probabilities that between 30 and 50%, and those will begin to go up. Hurricane force wind probabilities are also beginning to rise out there as well, but the worst of this appears to be, according to the National Hurricane Center, pointing towards southwest parts of Louisiana and extreme southeast parts of Texas. So coming up in weather, we'll talk about steering currents. We still do have some tropical computer models that say that system will either hug the west part of the cone or maybe even make a direct hit on us. We'll show you those, and we'll take a look at the forecast in just a few minutes.